How to get HTTP headers in Flask. I am newbie to Python and using Python Flask and generating REST API service. I want to check authorization header which is sent to client. But I can't find way to get HTTP header in Flask. Any help for getting HTTP header authorization is appreciated.
Request.headers behaves like a dictionary, so you can also get your header like you would with any dictionary.
Just note, the difference between the methods are, if the header is not exist, will return none or no exception, so you can use it like. But the following will throw an error. You can handle it by
If anyone's trying to fetch all headers that were passed, then just simply use. It gives you all the headers in a dict from which you can actually do whatever ops you want to. In my use case, I had to forward all headers to another API since the Python API was a proxy.
Let's see how we get the params, headers, and body in Flask. I'm gonna explain with the help of Postman. The params keys and values are reflected in the API endpoint. For example, key 1 and key 2 in the endpoint. https ://127.0.0.1 upload key 1 equals value 1 and key 2 equals value 2. After params, let's now see how to get the headers. Now let's see how to get the body. So we fetch the uploaded files with request.files and text with request.form.
Before you want trouble, this is really and silent.